I am Angela C. Sabidor, and today I will going to discuss about the law of sines and law of cosines, which I will be given 3 examples in the law of sines and 2 examples in the law of cosines. This problem we're going to solve an SAA triangle using the law of sines, given with the angle A 35 degrees, angle C is equals to 42 degrees, and side C is equals to 39. So here is the illustration of the given problem. Angle A is equals to 35 degrees, angle C is equals to 42 degrees, and side C is equals to 39. We will going to find the angle B, the side A, and the side B. So this is the formula of the law of sine. A over sine A equals to B over sine B equals to C over sine C. And we will begin by finding angle B. We all know that the measures of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. Since we have the angle A and the angle C, we're going to substitute the given values. Our angle A is 35 degrees plus B plus the angle C, which is the 42 degrees, is equals to 180 degrees. Then add the values. 35 degree plus 42 degrees equals to 77 degree plus the angle B is equals to 180 degrees. Then subtract the 77 degrees from both sides. Angle B is equals to 103 degrees. Therefore, our angle B is 103 degrees. We're going to use the law of sines to find the side A. A over sine A is equals to C over sine C. Then, we're going to substitute the values. A over sine A, our angle A is equals to 35 degrees. So, sine 35 degrees is equals to our side C is equals to 39 over the sine 42 degrees. Next, we will going to multiply the sine 35 degrees from the both sides. Then cancel. Side A is equals to sine 35 degrees times 39 over sine 42 degrees. Sine 35 degrees times 39 over sine 42 degrees is equals to 33.4. Therefore, our side A is equals to 33.4. Then we will use the law of sines to find the side B. B over sine B is equals to C over sine C. Then substitute. B over our angle B is 103. Sine 103 degrees is equals to our side C is equals to 39 over sine 42 degrees. Then we're going to multiply both sides by sine 103 degrees. Then cancel. Side B is equals to sine 103 degrees times 39 over sine 42 degrees. Our side B is sine 103 degrees times 39 over sine 42 degrees is equals to 56.8. Therefore, our side B is equals to 56.8. Therefore, our angle A is equals to 35 degrees. our angle B is equals to 103 degrees, our angle C is equals to 42 degrees, our side A is equals to 33.4, our side B is equals to 56.8, and our side C is equals to 39. So in this problem, angle A is equals to 50 degrees, angle C is equals to 55 degrees, and side B is equals to 25. We will going to find the angle B, side A, and side C. So, we all know that the sum of the angles in a triangle is always 180. A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. Then we will going to substitute the given values. Angle A is equals to 50 degrees plus B plus angle C is equals to 55 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Then add 50 plus 55 degrees is equals to 105 degrees plus the B is equals to 180 degrees. Then subtract 105 from both sides. Therefore, our angle B is equals to 75 degrees. Therefore, our angle B is equals to 75 degrees. Next is we will going to use the law of sines to find the side A. A over sine A is equals to B over sine B. Next, we will going to substitute A over sine 50 degrees is equals to B is equals to 25 over sine 75 degrees. Then, we will going to multiply sine 50 degrees from both sides. Then, cancel. Side A is equals to sine 50 degrees times 25 over sine 75 degrees. Sine 50 degrees times 25 over sine 75 degrees is equals to 19.83. Therefore, our side A is equals to 19.83. Then, we will going to find the side C. C over sine C is equals to B over sine B. Then, we will going to substitute the given values. C over sine 55 degrees is equals to 25 over sine 75 degrees. Then, we will going to multiply both sides by sine 55 degrees. Then cancel. Side C is equals to sine 55 degrees times 25 over sine 75 degrees. Sine 55 degrees times 25 over sine 75 degrees is equals to 21.20. Therefore, our side C is equals to 21.20. Therefore, our angle A is equals to 50 degrees, our angle B is equals to 75 degrees, our angle C is equals to 55 degrees, our side A is 19.83, side B is equals to 25, and side C is equals to 21.20. In this problem, we're going to solve an SSA triangle using the law of sines 1 solution. We have the angle A, which is 40 degrees, the side A, which is 28, and the side B, which is 35. In this problem, we're going to find the angle C, the side C, and the angle B. So, we begin by drawing a picture of triangle ABC and labeling it with the given informations. So, this is the illustration of the given problem, and we will be using the law of sines to find the angle B. A over sine A is equals to B over sine B. Then, we are going to substitute 28 over sine 40 degrees is equals to 35 over sine B. Then, cross multiply the 28 over sine 40 is equals to 35 over sine b. So, 28 sine b is equals to 35 times sine 40 degrees. Then, to solve for sine b, divide both sides by 28. Then, cancel. In getting the angle B, use the inverse sign. Angle B is equals to arc sine times 35 sine 40 degrees over 28. Arc sine of 35 times sine 40 over 28 is equals to 53.5. Therefore, our angle B is 53.5 degrees. Then, we will going to find the angle C. Since we already have the angle A and the angle B, we can find angle C by subtracting the known angle A and B from 180 degrees. So, A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. Then substitute the given values. Angle A is equals to 40 degrees plus angle B, which is the 53.5 degrees, plus C is equals to 180 degrees. Then add 40 plus 53.5 degrees is equals to 93.5 degrees, plus C is equals to 180 degrees. Then, we're going to subtract 93.5 from both sides. Our angle C is equals to 86.5. Therefore, our angle C is equals to 86.5 degrees. Then we will going to solve for the side C. C over sine C is equals to B over sine B. Then substitute for the given values. C over our angle C is equals to 86.5 over sine 86.5 degrees is equals to our side B is equals to 35 over sine 53.5 degrees. Then multiply both sides by sine 86.5 degrees. Then cancel. Side C is equals to sine 86.5 degrees times 35 over sine 53.5 degrees. sine 86.5 degrees times 35 over sine 53.5 degrees is equals to 44. Our side C is 44. Therefore, our angle A is equals to 40 degrees. Our angle B is equals to 53.5 degrees. Our angle C is equals to 86.5 degrees. Our side A is 28. Our side B is equals to 35. And our side C is equals to 44. We're going to discuss about the law of cosines. And these are the following formulas in the law of cosines.
So this is the problem 1 of the law of cosines, and here is the figure of the given problem.
The angle A, which is 45 degrees, the side B is equals to 40, and the side C is equals to 25. Using the law of cosines, to find the side opposite the given angle, thus we will find the side A. So, A squared is equals to B squared plus C squared minus 2bc times cosine A. Then, we're going to perform the indicated operations. A squared is equals to our B is equals to 40 squared plus our C is equals to 25 squared minus 2 times
Our side B is equals to 40 and our side C is equals to 25.
times cosine 45. Forty times 40 is equals to 1,600 plus 25 times 25 is equals to 625. 2 times 40 times 25 is equals to 2,000. Cosine 45 is equals to 0.7. (1,600 plus 625 minus 2,000 times 0.7 is equals to 825. A squared is equals to 825. Take the square root of the both sides and solve for
Side A.
side A is equals to 28.72. Our side A is equals to 28.72. Now, we will going to use the law of sines to find the angle opposite the shorter of the two given sides. This angle is always acute. The shorter of the two given sides is side C is equals to 25. Thus, we will find the angle C. So, A over sine A is equals to C over sine C. Then, we will going to
Substitute the given values.
28.72 over sine 45 degrees is equals to 25 over, since we don't have yet the angle C, so we can write it as a sine C. Then, cross multiply. So, 28.72 sine C is equals to 25 times sine 45 degrees. Then, to solve for sine C, divide both sides by 28.72. then cancel. Get the angle by using the inverse sign. Angle C is equals to arc sine times 25 sine 45 degrees over 28.72. Therefore, our angle C is equals to 38 degrees. So, we're going to find the third angle. We already know that the triangle is 180 degrees. So, A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. Then substitute the given values. Our angle A is equals to 45 degrees plus B plus 38 degrees is equals to 180. Then add the angle A and the angle C. 45 degrees plus 38 degrees is equals to 83 degrees plus B is equals to 180 degrees. Then, we're going to subtract 83 from both sides. Therefore, our angle B is equals to 97 degrees. Therefore, our angle A is equals to 45 degrees, our angle B is equals to 97 degrees, our angle C is equals to 38 degrees, our side A is equals to 28.72, our side B is equals to 40, our side C is equals to 25.
Here is a second problem and we will going
To find the angle A, the angle B, and the angle C. In this problem, we are going to use the law of cosines to find the angle opposite the longest side. The longest side is side C is equals to 12. Thus, we will find the angle C. And we will go to apply the law of cosines to find the angle C. So, C squared is equals to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine C. And we will going to solve for cosine C. Then, divide both sides by 2AB. Then, cancel. Cosine C is equals to A squared plus B squared minus C squared over 2AB. Then, substitute. Cosine C is equals to our A is equals to 9 squared plus our B is equals to 6 squared. Our C is equals to 12 squared over 2 times A is 9 and B is equals to 6. 9 squared plus 6 squared minus 12 squared over 2 times 9 times 6 is equals to negative 27 over 108. To solve for the angle C, get the angle by using the inverse cosine. Angle C, arc cosine times negative 27 over 108 is equals to 104.48. Therefore, our angle C is equals to 104.48 degrees. Next, we will going to use the law of sines to find either the two remaining acute angles. We will find the angle A. C over sine C is equals to A over sine A. Now we will going to substitute 12 over sine. Our angle C is equals to 104.48 degrees is equals to 9 over sine A. Next, cross multiply. 12 times sine A is equals to 9 times sine 104.48. Divide 12 and solve for sine A. Then cancel. Get the angle by using the inverse sign. Angle A is equals to arcsine times 9 sine 104.48 degrees over 12. Therefore, our angle A is equals to 46.57 degrees. We all know that the measures of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So, A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. Now, we will going to substitute. Angle A is equals to 46.57 degree plus B plus our angle C is equals to 104.48 degree plus C is equals to 180 degrees. Next, add the angle A and the angle C. 46.57 degrees plus 104.48 degrees is equals to 151.5 degrees plus B is equals to 180 degrees. Then, subtract both sides by 151.5 degrees. Therefore, our angle B is equals to 29 degrees. Therefore, our angle A is equals to 46.57 degrees, our angle B is equals to 29 degrees, and our angle C is equals to 104.48 degrees.